Hello kids, today we will draw a cute campfire. So, let's start. First, draw the wood. Draw two curved lines like this. Good job! Now connect both the ends. Draw an oval shape like this, and it's done. Look how great it's looking. Now let's draw the fire. Draw curved lines like this. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look how beautiful it's looking. Well done. Now, let's draw the stand for the campfire. Draw a wavy and curved line. Now draw another line just parallel to it. Good job! Now connect both the ends. Now let's draw a delicious marshmallow. Draw an oval shape like this. Make it like a box, and it's done. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Also, draw fire on the marshmallow. Just follow me, and you won't make any mistakes. Well done! We almost completed the drawing. Lastly, draw a cute face. First, draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Good job! Now draw another circle and fill the color. Don't forget to draw a cute smile. It's looking very great. Now draw a face on the marshmallow. Draw a cute face, and it's done. Good job! We completed the drawing, so let's color it. First, use brown color and color the wood log. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Now color the marshmallow stick. Color the stick carefully, and it's done. Good job! It's looking very nice. Use skin color and color the oval shape, like this. It's looking very nice. Now use yellow color to color the fire. Color only the inside, like this. First draw the lines, then slowly fill the color. Make sure not to color over the eyes and smile. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Good job! Now color the side of the marshmallow like this. Make sure not to color the marshmallow face. Well done! Now use orange color and color the outside part of the fire. Color only the outer part like this. Also, color the side of the marshmallow. Good job! It's looking very cute. Now use red color and color the fire corners. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Color slowly and look how great it's looking. Lastly, color the marshmallow fire, and it's done. It's looking very beautiful. Now use sky blue color and color the marshmallow. Make sure not to color over the marshmallow's face. Last, use white color to make the drawing shiny. First, draw a small circle in each eye. Draw circles on both eyes like this. Now draw some small lines on the wood log, just like this. Good job! Now draw lines on the stick. It's looking very great. Lastly, add some white color to the marshmallow, and it's done. Good job! We completed the drawing. Look how beautiful and delicious it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.